Okay. So now, ¿cuál es tu nombre, baby? You speak English? You don't speak English? Okay, she don't speak English, but she's part of our family in the Motion Reggae Lounge. Now, habla en español. ¿Qué tú quieres, mi amor? ¿Tú le gusta reggae music? ¿Le gusta reggae music? Sí. Él le gusta reggae música. Es la primera vez aquí en Motion Reggae Lounge, ¿sí? ¿Te gusta?
Sí.
Ah, ok. Yo cocino para él. Tú probas un chino, ¿ok?
Okay.
And this is Gina, my little sweetie, my friend's baby.
Yes.
Gina, how long I know you? Many years.
Yes, many years.
Gina is a sweetheart. She's the daughter of Sandra, is my friend that I've been a part of the family for years, so they come to show some support. Gina, you never tried my jerk chicken.
No, I never tried.
Okay, you have to wait. You're gonna try?
Uh-huh,
Try a
yes.
little piece? All right.
Good.
And then you're gonna tell us how you like it.
Okay.